Today we're going to show you how to set up a free trial on GenShops and create your store from scratch. This entire process takes just a few minutes. Start by visiting GenShops.com. If you already have an account, simply click Log In. If you're new here, click Free Trial to get started. Next, select your country. GenShops automatically detects your location using your IP address, but you can change it manually at any time. For this example, we'll select Canada. Now, enter your email address and create a password. Then click Create Account. If the email is already in use, just update it and continue. Once your account is created, you'll see all available GenShops plans. Plans start at $27.40 Canadian. For this demo, we'll choose the Growth plan and click Continue to Store. Now it's time to name your store. We'll use a demo name here, and then click Create Store. GenShops will now begin setting up your store. This usually takes just a few moments. Once setup is complete, you'll be logged directly into your store dashboard. Here, you'll notice Genie, our built-in AI assistant, already helping you get started. By default, your store is password protected, so you can safely explore and customize everything before going live. From the dashboard, you can click Products to start adding items. You can open Home to customize your storefront. And you can visit Settings to manage store preferences, access controls, and general configuration. Let's preview the store template. This is a demo layout designed to give you a clean, modern, conversion-ready starting point. You can change the password or remove it completely anytime before launch. If you need help at any point, just click the support option to contact our team directly. You can also manage your subscription and billing right from the dashboard at any time. That's it. Your GenShops store is now ready to build. In the next video, we'll show you how to quickly create products using Genie and how to launch ads faster with GenShops.